Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Me Cooking. We are going to make Ginataang Langka. Ginataan means cooked in coconut milk. First, let's chop the onions and ginger. We also need lemongrass drumsticks or even just the stalks, and fish cakes. This is just optional for flavoring. Our main ingredient is a green young jackfruit can and coconut milk. In a pan, add around 3 tablespoons oil. Add the aromatics, onion, ginger, lemongrass. Then add the jackfruit. Add half can of coconut milk and half water. Cover and let it simmer until the jackfruit is halfway cooked. Add tomatoes of your liking. You can add the tomatoes whenever you want. Do not forget the salt and MSG. Stir a little bit for even cooking. Cover and let it simmer again until the tomatoes are mushy. Add your flavor, in this case the fish cakes. Stir for even cooking. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. Now it's ready. Serve and enjoy.